Okay, in this video I'm going to tell you how much products you should be listing per day to see success on Depop dropshipping. So imagine this is your store, and this is obviously my store because it's way bigger and makes way more money. You post one product every like 7 days, and I post 20 products every single day. Obviously I am going to be making a lot more money. Now, this is an approach you can take. This is called brute force. If you choose this option that I am doing, you do not have to put much thought into your product research. You can pick any products you think will do well, or maybe think at least someone will buy, and then you can list them because you're listing 20 a day. Now, obviously you have to have systems in place for this. Join my school, link in description. I'll teach you how you can get 20 products listed a day in like, I'd say 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. But yeah, you do not need high levels of product research. But this is coming from me who has a good eye for product research already. Now, I am going to give you another option. Now, this is arguably better than both, and it can give you a huge store. What you're going to want to do is post 5 products every single day, but you are going to want to be a sniper with these products. You are going to want to pick these 5 products, and they are going to have to be the best products that you could possibly post that day. Now, this doesn't mean that it's going to take a very long amount of time for you to post these products. It doesn't mean that. These 5 products, you will naturally get quicker and quicker at identifying them every single day. And let's say over the course of a week, you've then posted 40 products. If at least 5 of those products are winners, you'll minimum be adding 200 to 300 pounds or dollars. That is a horrendous pound sign, but that is a pound sign. Every single day to your Depop store's income, and then that will give you more reviews. These are meant to be 5 stars. That will give you more reviews, and your store will be more trusted, and your growth will go from this to this, off the charts levels of growth, because these good products you'll be posting every single day, 5 of, will compound. You have exponential growth to the point that it looks like this, all because you actually put thought into your store and you have products that people want. You'll see that you'll be getting way more likes, you'll be getting way more notifications of likes. Again, that's meant to be a like. You are going to get so much likes, and your store is going to snowball so quickly, all because you put a bit of thought into your product research. Now, the only reason why I post 20 a day is because I'm busy teaching my students. I have multiple other stores, so I just brute force it and post a lot, which arguably gets me better results because my best store has over 500 reviews and is very trusted, so people will buy just by the click of a button. They don't have any issues with the trust. But I think the best option, 100% for someone starting out, would not be to brute force it. Instead, post 5 quality products. Now, you can find these products on your own using the free methods I've given you on this channel. But if you really want to fast track, I give out like 10 free winning products every single day. Just post 5 of those a day, even 3, post 3 of those a day, and it's literally just free money. It's £22, cheap as hell right now, I'm pretty sure, for you to build an extremely large, lifelong income if you just work consistently hard at this. So yeah, if you're willing to take that risk, take it. If you're not, be left in the dust by the ones who do. Again, I'm sure you love this new format of video, and subscribe if you want more.